Our mission is to be able to bring sleep to everyone. We believe that sleep isn't something that should be a luxury.
One of our business tenets is to charge what we need to and not what we can, and so we try to make our mattress accessible to nearly everyone.
Tuft And Needle was like, hey, we're gonna make this simple. We're gonna make a mattress that's really good.
And with us being disruptors throughout our early years, we were then able to merge with Serta Simmons Bedding to continue to change the mattress industry from the inside out.
I would describe Tuft and Needle as scrappy, makers, and fun.
I think that we are inclusive as a company. Literally anybody that joins our team is welcome with open arms, and I really, really appreciate that.
The different backgrounds and employee experiences that our team has helps us challenge each other and support each other.
Every product, every iteration, I have grown, I've made mistakes.
Get our hands dirty and mess things up and try again and kind of keep going on it in a very fun and friendly and supported way.
We have such a great company culture, and the people I work with literally make my everyday amazing.
Probably the main thing Tuft And Needle values is its own employees, and I think it speaks volumes. The opportunities I've had to learn new things, to be surrounded by people doing good work who can encourage me and help me in my own development.
I'm most excited to see how big our team can expand. We started out as a bootstrapped organization that literally started off with about $6,000. I would say we've come a long way.